The Kellerton community is just a beautiful community. It offers such tranquil mountain views. We're nestled at the base of the Keystone Mountains. The Kellerton villas are located centrally in our community. There will be 75 total. You'll be walking distance to our exciting future pool clubhouse with a gym. We're also going to have across the street a dog park, tennis courts, basketball courts, playgrounds, and future playing fields. We offer the Caspian at 2,200 square feet that offers a first floor owner suite. We have a Cumberland that offers a 4-bedroom floor plan, and we have a Morgan, which is our largest at 2,600 square feet with 3 bedrooms. The first thing that catches your eyes when you walk into the Morgan is its stunning 2-story family room and its unique fireplace. Here you'll see our popular gourmet kitchen. This offers a cooktop, a wall microwave, and an oven. We also are showing our popular farmhouse sink. The Morgan offers main level living with the owner suite coming off the family room. This Morgan is showcasing our popular Venetian bathroom, and there are several options for different styles of bathrooms. If you're searching for a home that gives you single-family style living at a more affordable price, nestled in a fabulous community filled with great amenities, then the Kellerton Villas are the right fit for you.